So friends, I am here in Little World Mall Khargar, and here we have a summer sale going on, and we have a very unique product here uh, run by Rajeshwari Jagtap ma'am. So welcome ma'am, Rajeshwari Jagtap ma'am. Can you please tell us more in detail about what product you are selling here and how is the experience here in Little World Mall?
Okay, so my brand is Gruham. So I am working into the all wooden kitchenware items. So you will get complete range of kitchenware which starts from cutting boards, platters. This one is owl platter, sauce dip. You can keep snacks here.
Yeah.
This one is pizza platter.
Yeah.
This one is cutting board plus platter. Platter with sauce dip.
Yeah.
These are the candles, wooden candles.
Yeah.
Where you can just put tea light candles every day, and this design will remain same as a rangoli from candle.
This is really unique.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
this one is acacia wood, deer shape acacia wood, but
This is also a chopping board, right?
chopping
Yeah.
board. This one is from the teak wood,
Yeah.
lotus shape.
Okay.
This one is heart, which are very unique from the best, no joint for this one.
So all these products which we are seeing right now is just made by yourself?
Yeah, no. These
Yeah.
are all handcrafted from Jaipur artisans.
Okay.
So I do support these artisans because
Yeah.
I love sustainability to have the product to be
Yeah.
utilized in the kitchen
Yeah.
rather than plastic.
Yes.
Definitely you should opt for woodenware.
Yeah.
And wooden into the decor piece gives
Yes.
aesthetic look to your home.
Yeah.
So these are the planters, wooden planters. So generally these such planters can be installed in your washroom,
Yeah.
which gives a earth element which is wood
Yeah.
and which absorbs the negativity from your washroom.
Yes.
So in washroom there is no wood element available. So
Yes.
to have this, these are the I have a very good feedback from the customers where they use it in the washroom or in the living room, anywhere in every corner of your house.
Yeah.
So there are multiple designs.
So what is this wood?
This one is acacia wood.
Acacia
All
wood.
the products from
Are-
the acacia wood
Okay.
and the teak wood
Okay.
is the mixture.
Yeah. Okay.
And,
So
yeah.
anything else than
These
chopping
are
board?
the
Yeah.
sauce, snacks bowl. So
Okay.
here you can keep sauce.
Okay.
Here you can keep all the snacks items. So this is very common
Yeah.
nowadays getting used
Yeah.
by
I can see like we
parties.
can also put some momos here and we can put some
See, garlic
yeah.
bread,
Yeah,
even
garlic.
chips.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is for snacks one.
Yeah, this is really unique.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
these bowls. The feedback I get from customers is for pet one.
Okay.
So pets, they put all the food for them. So
Okay.
whoever is having dog, cats, so they love having eat in this
Yeah.
bowl.
So if any liquid thing is kept on this, so
Yeah.
it would be a thing that the wood would get damaged.
No, so acacia wood is the best quality wood.
Yeah.
Acacia wood is nothing but babul ka jhad,
Yeah,
where
yeah.
it stays in every rain, every weather. It stays very nicely.
Okay.
So it won't even have fungus. If you go
Okay.
to any acacia tree or
Yeah.
babul ka jhad,
Yeah.
you won't find any fungus to that. Whereas mango wood, you will find the fungus.
Yeah.
That's why you should not have the mango wood because it won't last long.
Yeah.
That's
So
the difference.
it is very durable. We can see like the products which you are selling here are unique as
Yeah.
well as durable. So
This
I can
is
definitely
very-
recommend all my viewers to just go for it. And
I will show you one more unique thing
yeah.
which is being used for the kitty parties for
Okay.
the big platter which is heart
Okay.
shaped platter.
Yeah, it is really unique. Yeah.
And this one is something if like multiple women are together, they
Yeah.
can have all snacks in it. This one is from acacia wood.
This one is also from acacia.
Yeah.
So I can see like 90 or 80% of your products are from
Acacia.
acacia wood.
Raw
Some are
wood.
teak wood, and you are not dealing with any low quality wood. You are dealing
No.
with high quality wood only. And all the products which I am right now seeing are very unique, and I couldn't find anything else better than this the products which you are
Wooden
selling.
candles.
Yeah.
Just 100 rupees, but the
Okay.
this is like a dual
Okay.
purpose.
Yeah.
Rangoli come normal diya.
Okay.
So you don't have to put rangoli if you don't know how to make it.
Okay.
So this is the best option.
Yeah, so these are very simplifying
Yeah.
way of selling the products, and all are from Rajasthan. As we all know that Rajasthan has very good artists which made very good things, and the thing which you are putting here, this is the brand, your brand is Gruham.
Gruham.
And from Gruham, multiple artists from Rajasthan are available in one you can say stall. So thank you for giving us the nice detail about your product, and please help us with your Instagram ID as well, ma'am.
Yeah, so my Instagram ID is House of Gruham.
Okay.
My daughter, she is in 7th standard.
Okay.
She is helping my all the audience
Okay.
to know more about wood.
Yeah.
And that's the beauty of it.
Yeah.
Mom-daughter building.
Mom-daughter
brand,
building, yeah.
With the educational thing, knowing
Yeah.
why wood
Yeah.
and what are the types, what is the importance, how they season it, how they make it.
Yeah.
So you will get everything. So please do follow
Yeah.
as a mom-daughter duo.
Yes.
And you will get to know from her.
Yes.
And she is like she gives a lot of detailed knowledge.
So it is really, I want to appreciate her efforts as well, because when I was in 7th standard, I was not aware about anything which are going on in the world, but she is still helping you in this small age, and this is definitely a very you can say like appreciate. I want to appreciate her efforts and hard work, and the uniqueness which you are putting here is just because of your mom-daughter duo bond, and this
I'm
is
an
really
engineer.
okay.
I'm working professional.
Okay.
Out of passion, I'm
Yeah.
doing this.
Yeah.
I'm helping my daughter
Yeah.
for the entrepreneurship journey for the next level. That's
Yes,
my
yes.
motto.
Thank you, ma'am. I am also an engineer, and definitely I am also taking a positive vibe from your that I also want to do something like this unique thing. And can you please give me a card review so that all our viewers who want to contact you can just contact your name and number. So this is Rajeshwari Jagtap, ma'am, founder and CEO of Gruham. You can visit Gruham at www.gruham.in, and some contact numbers are also which are in the screen, and Instagram ID is House of Gruham, and info@gruham.in is the Instagram ID. You can find it. And thank you, ma'am. You both, mom and daughter duo, are really excellent, and you have given a very detailed view of your product. Your product is really unique, and I am telling all my viewers to just visit and just pass this video to all the mom-daughter duo who want to inspire from this journey of them. And thank you for detailed view and detailed description of this really beautiful Gruham product, and best of luck for your future endeavors, ma'am.
Thank